Okay, y'all, so Cardi B got the internet talking again after she was spotted in Paris with the Nigerian soccer player Maduka. Now, Cardi B nor the soccer player Maduka said anything about dating each other, but the reason people are running with it is because the body language looked real comfortable. Cardi B looked like she was real comfortable around him. He helped her to her seat, and then they were spotted again. And it seems like they was having a good conversation or a good kiki because Cardi B was steady laughing, and it looks like she was blushing. So fans started saying that the chemistry was giving new man. Now, Cardi B was already going viral for her Paris Fashion Week looks, and let's just say that sis has been killing these looks. So of course, when this moment with Maduka happened, everybody had something to say. Everybody felt like it was the perfect timing, and a lot of people feel like this is good for Cardi B because they were tired of her being with Stefon Diggs and the baby mama situation, and they feel like this is kind of an upgrade for Cardi B. Now, like I said, Cardi B nor Maduka has said anything about being with each other, dating, or anything like that. People just seen them together and started making rumors that these two must be dating. Now, guys, this Cardi B and Maduka rumor has another layer because Maduka is not exactly single from what people know. He has been linked to Dutch model Jalicia for years and they share a son, but their relationship has been messy and public. She has called him out before, deleted posts, apologized, then they got back together, looking like a family again. So that's why fans are confused seeing him laughing and looking cozy with Cardi B in Paris. So Maduka isn't exactly single. He's been tied to Jalicia. They've been together for years and they share a son. Now back in 2024, she publicly posted and said that she was done with him and accused him of being disrespectful to her family and their relationship. But then she deleted the post the same day and apologized, saying that they resolved their issues and were moving forward as a family. And that's not all. It gets even messier between Jalicia and Maduka. So she accused him of locking her and their son out of their home. She also made some serious claims, but then she later on cleared up the allegations. Now, Maduka hasn't said anything about any of the stuff that has been going on between him and Jalicia, but like I said, they have a very messy relationship, and Cardi does not need that right now. She already had a messy relationship with Stefon Diggs and all his baby mamas. She don't need to put herself in another situation like that. Social media feels like he looks good and he looks good for Cardi B, but at the end of the day, that's about it. Them trying to be together, have a relationship, it isn't going to work because like I said, he has his own messy baby mama drama going on, and Cardi B is already dealing with that with Stefon Diggs. But I would like to know you guys' thoughts and opinions on this.
I don't think nobody got a better get back than Cardi. Like, that bitch get back game so fucking raw. Like, at this point, I don't know if she be pre-plotting or if God just be on her side, but the fact that she just, we all know Offset, he getting it the worst because he got to see everything that come after him. Boom, he's toast. Stefon, it's just when you thought you got a baby out of her and it couldn't get no better than you, she literally makes it her mission to prove these niggas wrong. Like, she literally shits on them every time more and more. It's just never gonna stop at this point, and I really do love that for her because I feel like every time she get with a dude and they doubt her and they say all these things, she literally goes to the next one and proves them wrong on top of leveling up and a whole bunch of other shit. Because mind you, Offset is somewhere in the corner still crying about how he won because Cardi is his baby mama. Baby, you're so dust. I forgot that she even had any kids by you. Stefon's even more dust for many reasons. Not even the fact that he just lost Cardi, but I mean, you have how many baby mamas? You're no longer a part of any NFL team. Irrelevant to even talk about, honestly. And now she's with this? I'm speechless. Like, I'm sure everybody's fucking speechless. I'm sure Stefon and Offset are speechless as fuck. This shit is really wicked to me. Like, it's wicked, but in a good way. I love this for her. Because one thing about it, Cardi is going to move on and she's going to move up and she's going to move better with grace. Like, she do it so effortlessly. Like, no fucking bicker, no issue. Y'all want to play on my top? I'm going to dismiss you and level up. And she do it good every motherfucking time.
And Cardi, if the rumors are true, this is for the girls. This is for the girls because listen, I don't know how to pronounce his name fully, okay? But I'm going to try to. Maduka, okay? Finest soccer player there is right now. Finest soccer player. I don't know about y'all, but he's been all up and down my For You page for the past 3 weeks, okay? And I'm like, wow, he is so good looking. I love me a tall, tatted, fine man. And he's so good looking, Cardi. I wouldn't be mad. I would actually say, girl, yes, do it for me. Do it for us. Do it for the girls who wish they could get their hands on that man. Listen, you guys, Cardi has been at Fashion Week, you guys. Cardi is over in Paris for Fashion Week, and baby, she was spotted sitting next to Maduka, the soccer player, the real fine one, okay? And everybody was like, oh, they look good together. Like, what's going on? First and foremost, I was like, okay, it's just the little Fashion Week event. She's at the event. Like, she sat next to him. I don't know how they keep putting her next to all the fine men every time she go to Fashion Week, but she always next to the fine men at Fashion Week. Then another photo come out. Allegedly, they was talking to each other at a different event. I said, Cardi, girl, please do it. This eats so bad. It eats so bad. I'm for it. People was like, oh, somebody has said that he don't have enough money to get with Cardi B. That don't even matter. Let our girl play ball. Let her play.
Cardi B is not dating Maduka. After being spotted with this Nigerian soccer player over at Jean-Paul Gaultier's fashion show in Paris, rumors have been swirling online that she might be in close connections with Maduka, and I definitely do not think this is the case. This lady can't even go to a fashion show without y'all accusing her of dating somebody. A lot of the times at events like this, seats are assigned, so when you see him helping her to her seat, they more than likely were mingling somewhere, getting drinks, or mingling somewhere outside, and went to go sit down, and he just helped her sit. I don't see this as a date. I don't see them dating. This man makes less than $1 million a year, so we already know he ain't Cardi B type. Do I think that Cardi B could back him if she really wanted to? Probably. If you guys are unaware with Maduka, he is a Super Eagles soccer player, and he is actually single. He went viral after photos of him started circulating online, and people just deemed him ridiculously attractive. He gained like over 1 million followers in just a short span of time on Instagram. I am all here for Cardi B being outside, especially due to the fact that she has gone through it her last 2 public relationships. She already came on Spaces recently and said that we are not gonna know who she is dating. See her popping out at a fashion show in Paris with the guy she's dating just weeks later. It don't make sense. I don't think that she is dating this guy at all whatsoever. We got sat next to each other at a fashion show. I think this says a lot about the bigger trend in today's society with the parasocialism, and people need to chill. But let me know your thoughts regarding this down in the comments.
Cardi B, I know that's right. We don't chase, we replace. She's currently in Paris for Fashion Week. And who was she spotted next to at the Gaultier show? I hope I pronounced that right. That fine Nigerian soccer player that's been going viral. He's been everywhere. Maduka Okoye, okay? She's giving the people something to talk about. And it is so cute, such subtle little flirting. And at first when I saw it, I was just like, oh, they're just next to each other in the fashion show. But then I see they got spotted out again in different outfits. And Cardi, let me tell you something. It's nothing better to get under than another fine man. Okay, girl? Stefon, he needs to be finding a team to get on and a job to go get. Okay? Who is off what? We don't know anything about that. We moved on. I love this for my girl. And I hope it is cute, innocent, fun, represents the summertime. But even if it's not, I mean...
Working hard as that, honey. Because that's a fine man. Maduka Okoye? I don't know if I'm saying his name right. If I'm not, I'm so sorry. But when he grabbed her hand for her to sit down, oh yeah. Even Cardi couldn't hold it in that she thought he was fine. She said, yes. Girl, you better hop on that. I see you over there cheesing and smiling and giggling. Talking to him. He's fine. And he over here sharing videos of them together. Well, he probably just sharing it because like he's in the video. But like, I don't know. Something's brewing. And I'm so fucking here for it. Like, I need to see this happen. Even if it's like for a year or 2. Like, I just want to see them together, you know? You know when 2 fine people just like, yeah, I don't know. I could definitely see this being like something. Like, they need to go like on a date or something. I just need to see it. For real. And he's an athlete. Like, baby, we know Cardi like her athletes and you know, the rappers and stuff. So I'm gonna need her